Hello everyone, welcome back. And today I'm going to make a video about burning blast furnace process. And by the way, I am Jaime M. Dalogin from Best Me 2C. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Blast furnace process is a vertical shaft furnace that produces liquid metals by the reaction of a flow of air introduced under the pressure into the bottom of the furnace with the mixture of metallic ore, coke, and flux fed into the top. Blast furnaces are used to produce pig iron from the iron ore for subsequent processing into steel, and they are also employed in processing lead, copper, and other other metals. It is a steel cylinder lined with refractory. It operates continuously until the lining wears out, which takes many years to occur. The term blast furnace comes from the blast of hot air that is blown into the lower part of a furnace between 1,400 degree to 2,100 degree Fahrenheit. And molten iron is produced in a blast furnace by the following steps. Step 1. Charged solid iron ore, coke, and limestone is constantly dumped into the top of the furnace. And step 2. A blast of hot air is blown in a furnace from the bottom. And step 3. Coke is the fuel that supplies additional heat, increasing the temperature of the charge. And step 4, chemical reactions occur. Coke reacts with oxygen from the air, creating the reducing agent, which is a carbon monoxide, which removes oxygen from the ore. And step 5 are the limestone reacts with impurities in the furnace, forming slag which floats into the top of the furnace vessel. And step 6, every hour or so, the molten iron is removed and sent on the further processing. And that's all. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.